In the previous tutorial, we made mention that a variable can either be a valid type or a reference type. We said that when a variable is a valid type, it allocates its memory statically from the stack at compile time, and when a variable is a reference type, it allocates its memory dynamically at runtime. We said that a class is a reference type variable. So in this tutorial, I will just give a briefing of what a class is and what objects are. Here I have a diagram which is a blueprint of a car. This is what I would call a class. While the blueprint of the car isn't the actual car, from this blueprint I can use it to create multiple cars. And this is what I would call an object in C#. This is an actual object that was created from this blueprint here. So fundamentally, this is the difference between a class and an object. In the next tutorial, I will illustrate how a class as a reference type come into play.